Hi, I'm Stacey, Content Marketing Executive at Koozai, and today I'm going to show you a couple of super easy and free ways that you can find keywords to optimize your blog posts. Once you have a topic in mind and the structure for your piece, you should look to include high volume search terms within the copy, as this will help your content to appear in consumer searches. So the tools we're going to look at today include Google Keyword Planner and searchvolume.io, both of which provide some of the data you'll need to enrich your blog posts to reach their full potential. So we'll start with Google Keyword Planner, and you'll first need to think about some of the main keywords which may be relevant to your topic, and Google will help you out with some more. So for example, if you were going to write about women's gym clothing, you'll want to include some terms like I've already populated here on the screen, plus any extra variants that you think might be relevant and may have some search volume behind them. So after you're happy with what you've popped into here, you can click on Get Results, and Keyword Planner will populate all the keywords you provided with the average monthly searches. If there are any of the keywords you provided which didn't have an average monthly search, it would also let you know. So if you wanted to discard any or not pay as much attention to these keywords, then that's fine. It also provides lots of other keyword ideas for you. So anything that you hadn't necessarily have thought of, which would also be really good to include in your content. So as with this topic, there are a lot of different keyword recommendations. So the best thing to do here is to download your keyword ideas into a CSV. And then this will be easier to filter through all of the different keywords and the search volume, the competition. So you can choose the ones that are right for your content. They might not all be relevant, but this is easy to sift through. So here you have all of your keywords, all of the average monthly search volumes and your competition. Another good thing to look at on this data is the search trends by month. So there might be a particular month where some of your chosen keywords spike, and then this can also give you a really great indication of when to actually publish your content too. So that's really helpful for just some further insights. So you can filter this down and take out the information that you need, what's relevant to your topic, and then that will give you a really good basis to work from and lots of keywords to include in your content. The second tool that I'd like to show you is searchvolume.io. Less intuitive than Google Keyword Planner, but it's also really, really easy to use and super quick if you've got some more specific terms. So this one won't supply any additional ideas for you, but what it will do is it will give you the average monthly searches of what you have chosen. So you just need to make sure that you've selected the right country for your targeting, put in all of your terms that you want to look at and submit, and then it will give you the average monthly searches for those terms. So this is just another really quick way to help you pick out some of those key terms that are really going to enrich your content.